Hey guys, a video on Take-Two interactive software. Yeah, basically I didn't make another update because I think in last one I told about this potential wave 4 here and that it should not go to the 618 because that would invalidate it. It has done that now, as you can see, and to me this is now invalid. Okay, we also couldn't hit this 618 here in orange, which would be an invalidation for this wave 4. Because if I zoom out in an ABC, which is a corrective move, we want to see a 5-wave move down in a wave C. Okay, as a hopium bullish scenario, we labeled it like this, the wave 4 here, but I already said that, look, this 5th wave here just wicked above the 3rd wave. It's more healthy to see a 5th wave go and spend a little bit more time beyond the 3rd wave, okay? And we didn't have it here. Hence, I was saying that, look, this can be an ABC, okay, with then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your wave C. But of course, I did also give it a chance to be the low here, because you never know. But that's why we have our levels. 1, 2, 3, a wave 4 should hold these fibs and not touch the 618. In this case, it has done it, meaning that to me, this is not yet finished and we're gonna make one more low, okay? So I'm gonna remove these fibs. I'm gonna remove this point of control. Maybe I can add it again because there is more price action here. I think this is the candle where we are falling out of this range. And then like this. Yeah, I think it's maybe even on the same level, but just want to have it here. Should price now go to the upside, we can have a structural level to watch. But then basically what I will do is I will move this wave 4 to here, and then I will move this 5th wave to here, indicating that, look, we're probably gonna make one more low here, okay? Doesn't have to go way beyond this low here. If I adjust the fibs now as well for this 5th wave, target starts at 182.67, and then below that we have the 0.618 taken from this low here to this high, and then the 1.618 for this 5th wave taken from this wave 4 at 172.24. Okay, I'm not expecting it to drop very quickly. This one is in general a little bit slower and more stable, but you can see here this is looking like a multi one too. Actually, maybe we're gonna get a 3rd wave here, 4, 5, 4, 5. We want to see this price get here, okay? And then we will have a valid 5-wave move to the downside, a more valid one, because this one again was very weird with this 5th wave not being very low compared to this 3rd wave, not spending a lot of time here. So yeah, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will stick with this unless this now proves me wrong and goes above this point of control and hits this 618 at 224.23. But if I have to give probabilities, I'm leaning more towards this, okay? And then from here, we can obviously try again. I'm expecting GTA 6 trailers as well soon. I think this will hype this stock up as well. But until then, we take this slow, I think. And that's like a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, depending on how deep this wants to go, a 6 to 12% drop, okay? Just to give you an example, Snowflake is very similar to this one. I already made a video yesterday, I think, on Snowflake. So 3 in an A wave, a 3-wave move in a wave B, and then now we want to see a 5-wave move to the downside in wave C. 1, 2, clearly your 3rd higher volume here. Then you could say that this is your wave 4 and this is your wave 5, but here as well, you just wicked below the 3rd wave, didn't spend any time here. So indicating to me that, look, there is still risk. Even if this tries to push up, it can be part of an ABC in a C wave push. Okay, and then here you can see it's a clear 3-wave move, and it's already falling down. Because this is a 3-wave move, we have to label this as a WXY, or we could even force maybe an A, B, C, D, E in here, but no, that's not possible because this goes above this price level here. Regardless, a wave 4 can also sometimes be tricky, but to me, with this fall here and with this now looking more like a 3-wave move, it opens to me here as well the door to make one more low, and then similar to take 2, from here we can then try again. But yeah, that's it. Hope you're understanding my thesis. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Where is take 2? I want to finish the video with take 2. Oh, it's here. Bye bye.